Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. Alright you guys, so I did my transplant haul at my local garden center that always have beautiful transplants. So y'all know I do transplants on my tomatoes and my peppers at this particular time in my life because I am super busy. So let's get to this haul. So I didn't really count, but I had got a variety of tomatoes. So we're gonna start with hold on you guys, let me make sure my volume is up. Okay guys, I think you guys probably can hear me a little bit better now. So we got the Marion, and that's the Marion, and that's a beautiful red one. And then we got the purple boy. See if y'all guys can see that. Yeah, the purple boy. uh which one is this? This one is, okay, the Whopper. That's the Whopper. Now I did try to focus on ones that I haven't grown. Okay, for some reason I got a pepper plant in here. This is the habanero. And let's see, over here we had the ruggers. That's the ruggers. I'll put that right here. And then we got the better bush. And I think I got all of those. Yeah, the better bush. So that's, right now, that's 7 tomatoes, different tomato plants. And then over here, we got a few more. So over here, we got the German pink. And these are definitely ready to go in the soil. I'm gonna do mine in, I think I'm going in my grow bags, you guys, this year. Mortgage lifter. The mortgage lifter. I think I got this one year. Mr. Strictly. And the brandy wine. A lot of us grow the brandy wine. That's the brandy wine. So yeah, you guys, these are ready to get into the ground or grow bags. And now for our peppers. We got the food U, which is a jalapeno. They say it's a remarkable jalapeno. And then I got the Italian roasters again. And I got 2 of the jalapenos. Oh, I forgot I got my Hansel eggplant. So I think I got a few eggplants. And then I got the Black Beauty. So y'all know when I do my eggplants, I also sow seeds next to them. So I could get that continuous harvest if the seeds do well. And then we got the Takara pepper. I think these did really well last year. I just couldn't keep up with the names of all of them. And that is the classic eggplant. So I believe I got 3 eggplants. Yeah. Woo, get away from me. Ooh, go. Alright, so we got more peppers over here. We got the California Wonder. Get that out. The California Wonder. And all of these are so nice and strong. You got the Big Bertha. And you guys, when y'all choosing your plants, sometimes you can get 2 plants in one. So be conscious of doing that so you can get more for your buck. And that's the Whopper. When I first started gardening, I used to get I didn't realize how easy it was to sow the kooks. And I used to get like a start, and sometimes they have 3 and 4 of them in there. But now I know that, you know, your kooks, those are such easy sowing. So that's why I just sow my seeds with those. The Purple Beauty. Purple Beauty, I did good one year with the Purple Beauty. Then we have the Bell Pepper Red. The Maconi. and the Cubanelle, and they say that's a non-bell, yeah, okay, Cubanelle. And then we got the sweet bananas. So those are all my peppers, and I should have more than enough room. I'm sure I have more than enough room out there, because what I'm planning on doing is going into these 2 raised beds that sit outside, and then I think it's a butterfly. Then I will put my tomatoes inside, and I want to get to maybe roping my trellis area so that I can get my tomato plants to travel up there. Usually I do pretty good at navigating them throughout the trellis. So since I don't have those those buckets, the laundry buckets anymore, I could really see. Like I said before, the garden was getting congested, and I'm so glad that I weeded out so much stuff, you guys, because I could literally see. And right now I am really trying to simplify. It's like every year I'm trying my best to simplify the homestead, because my time is so scarce right now. So I'm glad that I did get rid of all of those buckets that was inside the trellis area, as well as on the outside, but inside the raised bed area. You guys know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna try and get these sold up today. I just realized that I ran out of slow release fertilizer, so I need to get some more slow release fertilizer. I have enough nitrogen and bone meal and things of that nature, but I definitely have to get that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my transplant haul from my local garden center, and I hope everyone is off to a great start for this gardening season. I know I am. I'm trying to beat the heat. The heat is definitely here. We're in the low 80s right now, so I still have some work, but not a lot of work, but I'm gonna get it done. All right, you guys, this is SEK the Homesteader. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace.